you. So today we're gonna get super inspired by this very unique wig from UniWigs right here. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. I am so excited to share with you this very unique wig from UniWigs. Her name is in Smoky Quartz. And I was flipping through all their amazing wigs, like literally they have a ton of amazing wigs. When I saw this one, I was like, this is different because it's cooler. Now it says a cool gray, although I really think it is definitely a gray brown. I mean, have you seen anything like this with these highlights, lowlights, and of course these delicious curls? Can we talk about it? Yeah, so I saw it and I was like, you know what, this is a color that is neutral that I think, really get into. So let's just take a look at the construction of this wig. She is a 13 by 3 inch parting. So that means she has about a 3 inches right here, which is pretty nice. She does have a beige or light lace right here. It actually is a very soft lace, feels really good. And she has 4 combs. She has 2 here on the side. She has 1 right here in the middle. And then she has 1 in the very back here. She also has a medium cap. So if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. So let's put her on. Also, this wig does come with 2 wig caps right here. So as soon as she arrives, you are ready to go. But I'll be using a brand new fresh wig cap that I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I absolutely love these wig caps. I put my wigs on front to back. Wow, look at this pretty girl. Yes. I can tell you right now, just from even putting it on this, she actually has a pretty decently plucked hairline. But of course, you know, plucking her out even more would be essential for your best wig life, but she looks actually pretty good. So now we're gonna take our scissors and we're just gonna cut off this lace and see what she's all about. And here she is. Wow, really pretty. And she's about 150% density as well, although I don't feel like she's a lot of hair, which is really good. And she is about, now it says about 23 inches, and maybe if she was completely straightened, that's possible, but I really feel like she's probably at that 20 or even 18 because she's actually just above my chest, like just slightly above, if not almost lateral with it. I'm gonna take my wig brush and we're just gonna brush her very lightly as well. Okay, so here's this girl down the center. I do feel like she would also be really good by flipping her. So let's just see what we can come up with changing her parting. I do want to mention first that I forgot to mention in the beginning, because I just wanted to put this girl on, that she has definitely some front layering parts, but these kind of like curls, and what I really like about it is that these, you see how it kind of like fades into this lighter right here? So she has like these low lights like at the bottom, which is such an interesting feature, and I absolutely love that. All right, so first let's just switch her wig cap around from side to side to see what kind of look she gives. We'll move her to actually the right eyebrow first. Why not? We'll switch it up. Oh, this is good, right? Do absolutely love this. So let's switch her to the left eyebrow, which is my good eyebrow. Okay, I feel a very similar look. So I'm actually really interested now in the flipping. So let's just see, by flipping her, if she really gives like, maybe like a really fun look. Okay, what do you guys think about this with this like delicious curl action going on right here? I mean, I really love this because my hair would never be like this voluminous, gorgeous, soft waves. Like these are the waves that you know, movie stars wear. Okay, so let's flip her on the other side. Okay, I wasn't as aggressive on this side with flipping her, but definitely like she can be flipped on this side. I do feel like she looks better on this side with those really fun curls, but definitely this is a wig that you can definitely flip around to give more of a front fullness right here. Yeah, I mean this I feel like on this side is like definitely, she's living her best life right here. So let me know if you have this wig or if you have another wig like this, or if you have a wig from UniWigs. I would seriously love to know and see you in your wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you being as amazing as you can possibly be. Because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. And if you feel fabulous wearing this Smoky Quartz wig, wear it. Wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you